In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check viewers age on YouTube. So I have a channel, so I need to check viewer age on my channel. So you need to log in on YouTube Studio. That's it. So currently I'm logging on my PC. So now I need to click on this audience first, login, then click on analytics, then click on audience. That's it. Now just scroll down, scroll down. Just you can see here is a age and gender, two options. So if you need to click on see more, that's it. My channel, age 13 to 17, 0%, 18 to 24, and all the analytics here available. So if I change it to month of January, that's it. If I change it to last December 2025, lifetime, etc., etc., I can check anything and everything. So I hope you understand. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.